Hey guys, I'm Dipankar and today I will be talking about Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. The phone resembles iPhone 10 from the back due to the same kind of vertical dual camera setup. The 6GB RAM model will be available for Rs 16,999 and the 4GB model will be available for 13,999. The phone has metal build and 18:9 display aspect ratio. Above the display it has 20 megapixels camera sensor, front LED flash and notification LED. At the right side it has volume rocker and power button. At the left side it has SIM card tray that has hybrid slots. At the base side it has micro USB speaker and headphone jack. The top side has infrared sensor. At the rear panel it has dual camera setup and fingerprint sensor. The phone has good design and curvy back offers good grip. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with 5.99 inches Full HD plus 18:9 2.5D curved glass display. The display also has Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The display looks good, it offers nice viewing angles and good color reproduction. The phone runs on MIUI 9 based on Android 7.1.2 Nougat. MIUI 9 comes with lots of features including dual space, app lock, customization options and lot more. The phone is powered by 1.8 GHz Octa-Core Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. This is the first phone to use Snapdragon 636. The phone comes in 4GB and 6GB RAM models and both models use LPDDR4X RAM. Both models come with 64GB of storage that is also expandable up to 128GB, but the phone uses hybrid dual SIM slot, so you can either use dual SIM or expand the storage. Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with dual camera setup at the back where primary sensor is of 12 megapixels with Sony IMX486 sensor, 1.25 micrometer pixel size and f2.2 aperture. The secondary rear camera is of 5 megapixels with Samsung sensor. Xiaomi claims to offer good camera experience and portrait mode with the rear camera. I tested this camera and I was impressed with the quality of photos it captures. At the front it has 20 megapixels front camera with Sony IMX376 sensor, f2.2 aperture and LED flash at the front. The front camera also captures portrait shots with software. The phone also supports face unlock that will be available via OTA update by the end of March. The phone has both fingerprint sensor and infrared sensor. It offers 4G with voice over LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS and micro USB like connectivity options. The phone packs 4000 mAh battery that should offer more than a day usage. This was Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro that looks an awesome phone for the price it comes. I'm really hopeful to have a good performance and good camera experience in this phone. The good thing is that the availability of EIS with the camera that was not available in Xiaomi Mi A1. I will be doing the full review of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro in coming weeks, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have anything to ask, you can always leave a comment below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and take care.